Hey YouTube, Matt here. Decided I was going to do a couple pours. I got someone that sent me some silver to make him one of the finger bars. And I'm going to pour one of these, which is basically a YouTube play button. And I'll talk more about that after the pour. I don't want my camera to get too hot, so I'll come back when it's ready to pour. I'll be right back. I have to heat up this mold real quick, and then I'll pour it. Okay, YouTube, excuse the shakiness of my hand, but I am holding the phone. Alright, well, I gotta do this again, unfortunately. As you can see, there's like a little bit of, I have no idea, it's silver, but I don't know how it got there on the actual nail. And this is not heavy enough. I haven't weighed it, but I know it's not going to be heavy enough. He wants around 3 ounce. It's probably going to be like 1.5, 2. We'll see. I'm actually on my bed, so it's not that flat. So I'm trying to get to a place where I can put it. So around 2, well, not around, it's 2.205 troy ounces. And like I said, he wants around 3. So, and plus it's really ugly right there. I'm not going to say what that looks like, but I'm sure you can guess. But yeah, I'll do another one and send it out to him. I don't know if y'all know, I'm sure a lot of you do, especially YouTubers, that when a YouTuber or a channel hits 100,000 subs, they get a silver YouTube button or a play button. Theirs is, I believe, sterling, and this one's not. And since I know that I'll never, ever, ever get 100 subs because people don't find hand making anything that entertaining, I guess. So yeah, I'll never get 100 subs, so I decided to make my own, carve my own. This is the one I just poured here, and it's just a lot more prettier than this one, because this one, I don't know, I don't think I heated up the mold enough, but this one I did. But just wanted to show you. Pretty cool. Yeah, just let me know what you think. I think I have to define the point a little more in the carving itself, and I want to get a shadow box to put it in with my name. And I think that'll be pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you think, and yeah, that's it. So hope everyone's having a great night and or day. Peace.